as we're now in the second half of 2021, what is the market traction that you're seeing? What are the driving factors now for SmartNICs and acceleration?
Jim, it's a very good question, and let me answer it in multiple different segment of the market, which is we are going after. So we started with getting a lot of traction in the storage devices. One of our partners is using the SmartNIC into their storage device, all flash storage, and it's in production since 2019 and is getting a lot of traction. This is a mid-range device, which is they are selling it and getting a lot of tractions in the enterprise customers and service providers and cloud customers. So that's one use case. The second use case we had also starting about a year and a half ago is with their financial customers, which is using this to replace their current firewall capabilities in a distributed fashion. And they are using it as a distributed firewall in their data center and replacing the appliances as well as the virtualized firewall in their use case. And that's where we are also getting traction in terms of accelerating the performance and making it sure it's used in a very distributed fashion in a security use case, and also all the features which is you need to expect from a networking device. The third is the biggest use cases where we are getting traction is in the cloud providers. These are tier one cloud providers. Out of the top five, three are basically leveraging the technologies. And what they are doing it in one case, they are providing the security services, storage services, SDN services as a part of their existing cloud and accelerating these and scaling to the next level, speed, feed, look at it, they are going in that particular directions and they will be going in production, within next 30 days. And it's a cloud provider which provides the both bare metal as well as virtual services onto the offering to their customers. Another cloud providers is going to go in production in a month from now, and they are already using it as a bare metal as a service. And that's what they are providing to their customers and providing the security services, networking services, and down the road they will be providing virtual as well as storage services. The third cloud providers is using accelerating the both the performance side, connections per second, packets per second, order of magnitude different than what is being deployed today in their environment. And they are going to use providing these capabilities in the existing environment so they can accelerate these capabilities for their end users or applications, which is their enterprise customers or other customers are using it in their environment. And these three are very significant use cases because they will expand into multiple different areas going forward. But this is the current status as of today.
Okay. Quick follow up on the programming model. So, what are the key takeaways on the programming model and the software that must be required to drive these kind of deployments?
Very good question, Jim. The software programming model and how they are doing it. We have three different ways people are using it. We provide the total stack and they integrate in their environment. So we are providing the total stack running on our card, and then their controller is integrating into their existing environment. So that's one use case. The second use case we have is that they're running their software on our card itself, and we are providing the basic APIs running with our P4 as well as ARM processors. which is a combination of the two, and they're getting full benefits of all the services which we provide, and they're running their software on our card itself. The third model is, they are basically running our stack in the bare metal as a service, and then for virtualization, they want to use their stack. So it's a combination of multiple different models which is being used in terms of taking full advantage of our solution, which is distributed service card, which provides the capability of writing programs in P4 as well as writing programs in ARM processors using standard tools, which is available for ARMs.
As you go into 2022, looking forward, how are the key differentiators going to play out for Pensando?
Jim, is very good questions. The key differentiator for us is always, if I put the categories in order of magnitude performance difference than what the competition can provide. Total software stack, which is we are the only one which is providing on this particular kind of devices. And the other differentiation is we have a good roadmap to continuously add capabilities and features both on security side, storage side, encryption end-to-end, and capabilities, and also looking at the next generation ASICs as well as next generation solutions, which is already in works at this particular moment. So we are in a very unique position, sitting pretty well in the industry, to differentiate ourselves compared to the competition which is coming in.